Welcome to our presentation on improving the voter verification process. In this video, we will introduce an optimized procedure for verifying voters, ensuring a seamless election experience. Our objective is to provide an efficient and secure method of confirming voter eligibility while upholding the integrity of the voting system. Join us as we explore the features of our verification machine layout and learn how to check and verify a voter, as well as how to update voter information when required. Verification machine layout. Statistics panel. The statistics panel provides essential insights into the current state of the election at the polling station. It presents statistics such as the total number of verified voters, the number of individuals who have cast their votes, and the expected number of voters at the station. Search panel. The search panel is where the verification officer enters the voter's index number to cross-check their details against the provided ID card. This step enables the officer to retrieve the relevant information from the database. Details panel. The details panel displays the voter's information after successfully retrieving their index number from the database. It showcases details such as the voter's full name, hall of affiliation, department, and level. Status panel. The status panel indicates the verification status of the voter. It reveals whether the voter has already been verified and whether they have cast their vote. How to check and verify a voter. 1. Enter the voter's index number in the search panel. 2. If the voter is registered and captured in the system, the details panel will automatically populate with their information. The status panel will provide the current status of the voter. 3. Verify that the voter's details are accurately displayed in the details panel. Note that the current status in the status panel should read as "not verified" and "not voted." 4. The Verify button is enabled for the verification officer to confirm the voter's eligibility. 5. Click on the Verify Voter button to proceed with the verification process.
Verification successful.
6. Upon successful verification, the status panel will update to reflect verified and not voted. Seven. If the voter successfully casts their vote and their index number is entered in the search panel, the status panel will change to verified and voted. Additionally, the statistics panel will be updated with the latest data from the database. How to check and update voter information. 1. If the verification officer identifies incorrect details, such as the hall of affiliation or level, after entering the voter's index number, they can update the information. 2. Click on the Update User button to make the necessary corrections and verify the user. Please note that the index number, department, and name cannot be changed.
Verification successful.
Conclusion. Enhancing the voter verification process is crucial to ensure the integrity and fairness of elections. Through a refined procedure and user-friendly verification machine layout, we have streamlined the process of checking and verifying voters. By following the step-by-step guide provided, you can effectively verify voter eligibility and maintain accurate records throughout the election. Thank you for watching this presentation, and we believe that this system will contribute to a more transparent and trustworthy electoral process.